Clean Kids Productions.
Yes.
Yeah, put all the green balls in the pan.
No, I'm putting the green.
Yes, green balls. Only green. Yes, find the others. No, only green balls.
Okay then.
Milan, only green balls. Only green balls.
Not orange.
Yes, only green. Find the green balls. Milan, only green.
Milan only green.
Look for green. Green, Milan. Let them carry. Show Milan the green ball. Teach Milan. Show Milan the green ball. Yes, show Milan the green ball.
Milan, this ball. Hold it.
Very good. Okay.
Only green.
Okay, take up the other basket. Carrie, take up the other basket.
Have the other basket? Yes.
Okay. Put Carrie. Find all. Put the blue. Carrie. Put the blue balls in that basket. Yes. Find all the blue balls. Only blue.
This color.
Search for the other blue balls, Carrie. Search for the other blue balls.
Whoa. No. Blue. This one.
Very good. Find the other blue balls, Carrie. Yes, very good. Find the other blue ball. Carrie, put the blue balls in the basket.
Okay, that's all of the blues.
Okay. Okay. Carrie, put the orange balls. Search for the orange. Find the orange balls and put them in the basket. Carrie, orange. Carrie, find the orange balls. Put them in the basket. All of them. Very good. All of find the orange. Find the other orange balls.
Orange. Oh no, that's pink.
Very good, Carrie. Where are the other orange balls? Find the other orange balls.
This one. Ooh, not that. And that is the final. That is the final for orange.
Find the orange ball.
Red.
Okay, so put the red balls in the other basket. Carrie, only red balls. Take out the other balls.
I got this.
Very good. Okay, take out the other colors. Help Milan, Carrie. Okay. That's all the red balls?
Yes.
Okay.
Now it's time.
Okay. Alright, Carrie.
Oh, yes.
So, okay, so you're doing yellow now, Carrie? Okay.
Yellow.
Very good.
Let's go. Yellow. Orange. Not orange. That's orange. Yellow. It's not yellow. It's yellow. The yellow ones are hearts. Not nose. Yellow. Yeah, yellow box. Okay. Yellow.
Let me do the purple balls now. Do the purple balls now.
Purple.
Put the purple balls in the basket.
That's a purple. No, that's yellow. Purple.
Thanks for watching. Kindly click like and subscribe for more.